These earplugs are the most eye-catching release we've ever made, and they almost never happen. Hi, my name is Damien Laglera and I'm a senior product designer at Loop Earplugs. For this limited edition, we wanted to team up with someone who would bring a unique design to our Experience earplugs. We joined forces with Andrew Footit, a London-based artist known for his bright colors and bold designs.
Hi, my name's Andrew Footit, and Loop reached out to me to do a limited edition Experience earplug. I try and bring a lot of physical textures, terrazzo, recycled plastic, that sort of look. So it's sort of mixing digital and physical to create, something quite different. I wanted to create quite an experience for the user, especially with a product like this that's generally known as something more of like a stigma to wear. I think this is taking an earplug to a different world in a way.
Andrew's bold style was a perfect match for our Experience earplugs. Loop Experience was designed for big, special moments like live music or events. When we first created them, we had to come up with a new technology to keep the sound quality the same while still protecting your hearing. We also wanted our fans to be able to customize their earplugs to show off their own unique style. So we created a special set of mutes in playful colors. Once Andrew was done with his design process, we were ready to go into production mode. This is where we ran into our biggest challenge. We needed to get Andrew's colorful and intricate terrazzo-inspired patterns onto a very, very small earplug. We tested out a lot of different materials and techniques while we were trying to figure out a solution. At one point, we were even ready to totally scrap the idea. But then we came across a method called water transfer printing. Essentially, you dip an object into water that has a special adhesive pattern floating at the surface. The thing we loved most about it is that because the water is moving and you're dipping by hand, every piece comes out slightly different. Once our pieces were all printed and sealed, we assembled the sets and packed them into matching boxes. These Loop and Andrew Footit earplugs are special. They're made to help you stand out and express your own point of view, like a work of art you can wear.